What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope your families are safe, and hope everyone in your extended family and your friends are safe too. Today we're going to be working on the spoon Accord. Now it's about like 95,000 miles on it, and I've never recorded this, but we're about to do a coolant flush on it, just do some maintenance on it. The oil change was done about last week. We're going to be doing the coolant flush today, so let's get to it. What you're going to need for your coolant flush is some Asian blue coolant. You could use Honda coolant, blue Honda coolant on this, but this is the same thing as that. And well, I work at Nissan, so let's get to it. First thing you want to do, make sure your car's cool and make sure it's not warmed up, or else once you pop this off, either it's going to shoot up and out right like that, or it's just going to go over where you barely open it and it spills everywhere else, and that's a fail. What you're going to need is this, or you can go under the vehicle and there is a drain valve down there. Luckily at the dealership we have one of these, and these are really bad to the bone. I almost said it. First step, open her up. Oh god, okay, come on. Okay, it's not, okay. Help. Do. Oh. Then you're gonna take this and throw it. Oh god, okay. Ooh. One-handed. All right, I'm gonna put this down and be right back. Now that this thing's filled up all the way, and we're gonna close this up so we don't want it to go anywhere. You wanna make sure that your radiator cap's over here, make sure this is open, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn on your car and then make sure the heater's working. Want to make sure you have your air hose hooked up to it. And what we're going to do is we're going to do suction to waste coolant. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, ready to go. And then kick this over. Sure this is up all the way. And then you put it in a hole like so, and the next thing you know, you'll see the radiator hose collapsing. Now that it's almost done, we're about to release the new coolant. Now that we know that it stops right there, we're going to turn this off. Let that kind of drop down and wiggle. There she is. Now that it's filled up all the way, no air bubbles so far, come inside the vehicle. Make sure your heater's working. It's blowing a little warm right now, and right now we're down to 149 degrees, and hopefully at 170 we'll get more heat out of this thing right here. So catch you in a bit. Look what showed up, a 350Z with the check engine light while this is going on, while it is almost closing time. But let's get this checked out. No, I can't show you what we're doing over here. Don't want to get in trouble at work, but not a bad example of a 350Z right here. One of the other ways to actually drain radiator is there's a little drain plug either down there or down there. It's hard for me to do because of the splitter. And while you open it up, let it all drain out. Hi, Wes. Yeah. I don't consent. But once you let it drain out, fill it up, take your radiator cap off. There's a funnel that you put on You can get one of these over at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. Boom, boom, boom. Easy adapter. Put it on there. Fill it up. And then turn it on. Make sure your heater works. And you're good to go. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you the other way on how to actually drain your radiator and fill it up to do a coolant flush at home. Hope this video brought some sort of, I guess, some kind of help. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye. I almost forgot that I need to end this video. I am so sorry. Quick, huge shout out to MD Interiors for the steering wheel. So if you guys like the steering wheel, feel free to hit them up for any of your steering wheel needs. They do anything from Hondas all the way to Lamborghinis. I'm pretty sure if someone's got a souped up Rolls Royce, they can definitely take care of that. Shout out to the guys at Unit 14 for the powder coating on the brakes and the air tank. VisionAutoWorks.com for the future headlights. The BBK always coming through and always just for the hangs. I mean, I haven't had Cullen on, well, this video, on this channel and ever, because sad boy, he moved away. But that's okay. He had to work on his business and it's popping. He did Dai Yoshihara's the Corolla, yeah, the Corolla. Did the headlights on those, so go check that out. And yeah, Drive Auto Appearance for everything that they do. Import Crate for everything they do. It's in the description. Psst, it's in the description if you want to save 20% off on any and future purchases that you guys make through Import Crate. So guys, stay safe, be safe, like and subscribe. It would mean so much. Trying to get to 1,000, that'd be so amazing. What do you guys think of the room? I'm trying to work on the creator studio / bedroom, trying to make it a little bit more fun. Hopefully I get a desk, computer, and everything going on. Be safe. Bye.